Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting and creative journey. Today I'm going to show you how to create your dream life with a vision board. This is not just any DIY project, it's a powerful manifestation tool. Now you might be wondering, what's a vision board? Why is everyone talking about it? Well, it's a powerful tool that helps you visualize your goals and aspirations, turning them into reality. Sounds amazing, right? It's like having a visual roadmap to your dreams. First things first, let's gather the materials. This is where the fun begins. You'll need some old magazines, markers, scissors, glue, and of course a board. These are your basic tools for crafting your vision. A corkboard or even a sturdy piece of cardboard will do the trick. Choose whatever you have on hand or what feels right for you. Step 1, flip through those magazines and cut out images, words and phrases that resonate with your dreams and goals. This is where you start to see your vision take shape. Think about what you want to achieve in different areas of your life: career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Write down your goals if it helps to clarify your thoughts. Don't rush this part, let your intuition guide you. The more meaningful the images and words, the more powerful your vision board will be. Next, lay out all your cutouts on your board. This is where you start to see your dreams come together visually. Play around with the arrangement until it feels right. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about what feels good to you. This is your vision after all, so make it uniquely yours. Add your personal flair and creativity. Use those markers to add any personal touches or notes. Maybe jot down a motivational quote or a deadline for achieving a goal. Now start gluing everything down. This is where your vision board starts to become a tangible reality. As you do this, visualize each goal as if it's already happening. Imagine the feelings, the experiences, and the joy of achieving these dreams. Feel the excitement, the joy, the accomplishment. This emotional connection is what makes your vision board so powerful. This is where the magic happens. Your vision board is not just a collection of images, it's a visual representation of your dreams and the life you want to create. Here's a pro tip. Organize your vision board into sections. This can help you focus on different areas of your life more clearly. Maybe dedicate one corner to career goals, another to personal development, and so on. This way you can see all aspects of your life at a glance. This helps keep your focus clear and your intentions strong. It's like having a well-organized map to your future. And here it is, your completed vision board. Take a moment to admire it and feel proud of what you've created. Take a moment to admire it. This isn't just a collection of images, it's a visual representation of your dreams and the life you want to create. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it every day. This constant visual reminder will keep you motivated and focused. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it every day. Let it serve as a daily reminder of where you're headed and why you're working so hard. Let it serve as a daily reminder of where you're headed and why you're working so hard. Every glance will reinforce your commitment to your goals. Remember, the power of a vision board lies in its ability to keep you focused and motivated. It's a constant nudge from the universe, encouraging you to keep moving forward no matter what. It's a constant nudge from the universe and encouraging you to keep moving forward no matter what. Your vision board is your personal cheerleader. So what are you waiting for? Grab those magazines, get your board, and start creating your dream life today. You got this. Grab those magazines, get your board, and start creating your dream life today. You've got this. The journey to your dream starts now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow DIY enthusiasts. Let's spread the joy of creating vision boards. Let's build our dream lives, one vision board at a time. Thanks for watching. Together we can achieve anything.